Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. In this reading, you will see your person's past, present, and future energies. Also, I will pull cards for the near future of this connection. So, let's begin. This reading is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Not Know. People who are going to hear this message for Libra Spirit, please tell me their person's past energy towards them. Their person's past. Okay. There was love in the situation, Libra, at one time, but I feel someone has walked away because of a betrayal here. Someone was very secretive, someone was sneaky, someone was very in and out, and I feel this person walked away. At present, this person is in their feelings, but this person is resisting his or her feelings for you. I also feel, Libra, that there is definitely a cheating in this relationship. Could be in a commitment or marriage. Now, it could also be possible that someone was very sneaky because they did not want to give you commitment. You could also be together with this person, or you could also be in a live-in relationship with this person, but this person want to see you. I also feel there was some lies here, and it could also be possible that this person did not confess his true feelings to you, or could be a commitment phobic person, that this person had feelings for you but this person walked away from your life because they did not want to give you commitment, like they couldn't give you commitment, maybe because this person was already married or was in another commitment already when they met you. So just apply to the situation. At present, I feel that this person is in his or her feelings, but they love you, but they are resisting this connection. Someone could be blocked here as well. Even if this person wants to express his feelings, then I don't feel they can, because someone could be blocked here, or this person cannot reach out to you, maybe because of the ego or something. In a past, it is possible that this person was very self-centered, but at present this person could view you as someone who is enough, like you are enough for yourself and you don't need them. This person will come back to you, Libra, and you are going to get together with this person. This person will put work in this relationship. I also feel this person is focused on his or her finances, but there was a separation in this situation and in this relationship, or a break because of ego clashes or arguments, drama. Someone walked away because of their ego. Maybe this person walked away, they did not try to put work in this relationship to fix the connection, but now in the near future this person will put work on this relationship, and the goal is to be with you, to have a family with you, because they feel you are not only emotional person, but you are very practical and very nurturing at the same time. Like you can be a wife material, you are a wife material, that's how they view you. So in near future, expect this person to know your value. In a past, this person felt that you are very much materialistic, you are very focused on your money, on your own growth, and at present they feel that you are walking away from them. In a past, even though you were very focused on your growth, yet you wanted to nurture that connection, but now this person feels that you are walking away. This person feels the distance between you guys, and in the near future, you are going to be in your power according to this person, because they are viewing you as someone who will keep their options open, who will have people running behind them for their attention. I also feel you are going to be very successful in your career as well, and you are going to get a lot of attention from people on social media. like you are going to be very happy according to this person. So yes, expect this change in your life, Libra, because that's how they view you for a near future. Okay, in a past, they love you, Libra, they loved you, and they like that attention you used to give to this person. This person wanted to make this relationship work. Either the connection was mutual. I have two of hearts here. The connection was mutual. This person loved you in the past. Let's see present energy. If you had any doubt that they never felt the connection, no, this person felt the connection, it was mutual. At present, they might be ignoring you, but this person is very disappointed and they are missing the attention you used to give them. This person still want to make it work. This person still want to come back to your life and have your attention, but for now this person is trying to ignore this disappointment that you are moving on. I also feel this person don't know whether to stop waiting for you, whether to stop getting sad over this connection or not. So in a near future, this person is going to be very hurt and they are going to ignore you. Even if they are unable to ignore you, they will at least try to ignore their emotions for you, because they cannot be in this energy where they are just very disappointed and upset with their life and their own decisions. They are missing the past. This person wanted a growth in this relationship. Could be a third party situation, that when you met this person you were already a third party in this person's life, but they had passion for you. They did want a growth in this relationship, Libra, but I see a separation here. That could be a third party and you guys got separated because of a third party or some issue. At present, this person want you. You are this person's wish fulfillment. This person is ready to apologize to you and confess his or her emotions to you. This person is going to feel very alone. Now what I'm getting from here is, this is for some of you, I'm getting that if you were a third party in this person's life, if this person walked away and chose someone else, or they deliberately put you in a third party, this person is wishing for you now and they want to apologize to you, to express their emotions. In a near future they will express their emotions because they will feel very alone, very alone. I also feel, Libra, they would like to have a growth in this relationship. They will try to bring a balance in this relationship. At least it is there in their feelings, like they want to have a growth, have a balance in this relationship. I also feel they are going to feel very alone without you. For some of you, I'm getting that if this person left you out in the cold in the past, they will get their karma now in a near future, that someone will leave them out in a cold and this person will come back to you now. At least they will wish to come back in your life, and you will know that why they are coming back to you, because this person is going to feel very alone. For some of you, I'm getting this person will confess it to you that they feel very alone in their marriage, like they are not in a happy space. Yes, they feel that deep connection with you. They see you as their soulmate. You guys, if this is a new connection for you, then you guys definitely know each other from previous lifetimes. So past life relationship I'm getting here could be a very spiritual connection as well. But someone is waiting here. Maybe you are waiting for this person to realize that this person is your soulmate. Like for some of you, I'm getting that if you believe in twin flames, like, then some of you know that the other person is your twin. So you are waiting for this person to realize that this connection is very deep. You also, I feel you are also waiting for this person to realize that they are your soulmate, something like that. I also feel that this connection has given you a lot of baggage. You could have met this person at a workplace, but I feel that someone is feeling very burdened here. In a past, this person wanted to use his or her head and did not want to keep their heart up in this relationship. They just wanted to be very practical, and you could be dealing with someone who don't talk in that lovey-dovey way. But at present, I'm getting that this person still want to focus on his or her growth, and that is it. They want to turn their back from this connection because they have been very hurt, and I feel you have been hurt too, but could be a third party situation. But in the near future, this person will come back to you, and this person at least will want to have a new start with you. I also feel, Libra, that this person is going to feel very passionate towards you, and this person will, it's in the intentions that they will intend to start this connection again, and they are going to feel that fire for you again. In a past, this person was keeping his or her options open. They are keeping their options open. In a past, they were. At the same time, the connection is very spiritual here. Like, you can feel their energy, even if you guys are in separation. This person is still on your mind, even if you guys have not talked for a very long time. For some of you, I'm getting this person could be married or in another commitment, or could be someone who is very focused on their finances. But in past, this person was fantasizing about you, fantasizing about this connection, at the same time keeping their options open. But at present, this person do want to bring a balance in this relationship. They do want to have a stability in this relationship. They do want a growth. Expect communication from this person. Could be a very practical communication. Even if this person I'm getting, even if this is a new connection for you, even if this person is going to talk to you about marriage, their talk will be very practical. Don't expect emotions. I do see communication though. There will be a balance in this relationship. This person will take action. But in the near future, this person will again want to be emotionally independent from you, because this connection is heavy. They are going to feel very burdened, and I feel you guys are gonna get into arguments again. There will be ego clashes, and this is why they are going to feel that way. Yes, I see you in your power, Libra, but you are going to be alone here, like you are fed up from this person, you are fed up of their lies, you are fed up of their in and out energies. So this is what I'm getting here, that you are going to be alone here, but because you have been hurt in the past, but you are going to be in your power. Let me use my decks in this reading. Libra, I also want to add that I don't see a third party here. I see, in fact, a lot of people here, like not only three people. So I could be reading for someone, like you guys could be husband and wife. I also feel extramarital affair here, that I'm reading for 2-3 couples. I feel this is not for all though. If you feel this is your story, then stick to it. Yes, ignoring you. Yes, for now, in the past, I feel this person moved on and ignored you, this connection, but at present this person want to bring a change in this relationship. In the near future, I told you this person is going to fantasize about you a lot. They will feel that fire again with you. And with 9 of Pentacles, I have a makeup sex card here. So expect makeup sex, but don't expect this person to be emotionally vulnerable when it comes to you. Yes, a painful ending. So what I'm getting from here is this person will come celebrations. This, you are going to be very happy when this person will come back to your life. You are going to make out, but eventually this person is going to leave again. I have a painful ending card here. Yes, you will leave this person, Libra, because of your self-respect or ego. At the bottom we have forgiveness card. So maybe this is spirit's advice for you, that you should forgive yourself to let this person come back to your life again and again whenever they want, because I feel this could be very in and out between you guys. So in an outcome, I'm seeing painful ending, but you are going to be very detached and cold person. So don't be in that energy. Just forgive yourself, yes, and surrender it to the divine. Let's clarify their feelings and wrap up this read. Okay, so even if they were in another commitment, Libra, in a past, they were praying to the universe to have a growth in this relationship. If your person was not in any other commitment, then your person wanted a commitment with you. They were wishing for that. At present, your person, you may feel that your person have let go of this connection, but no, this person still feels that unfinished business with you. I also feel that they feel that they miss the old times. They overthinking card here. This person is overthinking at present about you, and they are thinking about apologizing to you, but this person feels that you have already let go of them. So in the near future, they are going to feel that you are controlling them, or their own emotions are controlling them. Like I'm getting that Emperor card here, like this person don't want anything to control them. Instead, this person likes to have a control over other situations. So in the near future, this person is going to feel very alone, but at the same time they are going to leave you out in a cold if you allow this person to come back to your life, because I'm having a breakup card here. But this person is going to feel very alone without you. So let's see near future of this connection. I told you I have sexual tension card here. This person is going to feel that fire for you again, and they are going to come back in your life. But Libra, after making out with you, they are going to leave you, and I feel you are going to leave them because you will know the truth that this person has cheated on you in a past or at present, and you are going to accept the situation, and finally you are going to surrender to the divine that this is not your person. I have lust, desire and obsession card here, so I feel this person will travel towards you. You will receive a text or call from this person that they are coming back to you, or they just want to meet you, and you are going to allow this person to meet you. You are going to have sex with this person, and then you are going to break up. It could take few days, it could take only a day or two, so this all depends on the situation, but that's what I'm seeing in outcome, that it is going to end. But before that, you are going to meet your person and you are going to make out with them. I have makeup sex card here. You will patch up with this person only to break up after that. So this is what I'm getting here. Let me pull 3 more cards for you. What else Libra needs to know, Spirit? 3 cards, please. What else Libra needs to know? You know each other from previous lifetimes. I told you, Libra. I like to see your pictures at nights. This person likes to see your pictures, Libra, and I feel this is not done yet. Okay. They are single at the bottom. So yes, this person will come back to you at present, Libra, and this is not done yet. Arguing with dumb people gives you nothing. Okay. This is your outcome, waiting for communication at the bottom. You are going to wait for this person to have a communication with you after arguments, Libra. That's what I'm getting here. Maybe you are still waiting for a communication from this person, but I'm seeing that after making out, you are going to get into arguments, and I'm getting a vibe that you are going to inquire them about their other relationships, that what they were doing all this while when you were waiting for them. So you are going to know that this person cheated on you or something like that. So if you still want this person, Libra, you can still change this energy. When this person will come back to you, when you guys will patch up, don't get involved in arguments with them. Be patient, give them time, and you can change this energy, but that's up to you. So this is just an advice from cards and not from me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, Libra. I really hope this reading helped you. Let me know how you find this playing card reading. So bye bye and take care.